Our Medicare Advantage plans provide all your medical and additional benefits in one plan. Medicare Advantage plans offer coverage similar to the employer-based coverage you're used to. In addition to covering medical, comprehensive dental, vision, and hearing benefits, our plans offer additional unique benefits. We've partnered with Papa, a company that matches members with a Papa Pal to provide assistance with transportation, meal prep, house chores, technology lessons, companionship, and other senior services. Your pal can visit with you in your home or virtually with assistance from a distance. We offer $60 per quarter for you to spend on useful over-the-counter supplies like bandages, pain relievers, and much more. Our plans cover 24 one-way rides to or from medical appointments or to the local pharmacy. If you were discharged from the hospital, our plans cover 14 meals delivered to your door while you recover. Some of our plans even offer a Part B premium reduction, a benefit that allows you to pay less for your Part B monthly premium. These benefits are included at no additional cost when enrolling in one of our Medicare Advantage plans. Contact us today to learn more about how you can enroll in a plan that includes these valuable benefits.